Is this one of the smallest toilets? No, we're now looking for it. This is the stairs. It's in here. Have a look at that. Proper toilet built under the stairs. There's a wash basin, and the pipework is boxed in and tiled. But I don't think you'll get a toilet any smaller than this. This is a very clever use of space. To give you a guide of the size, that's a piece of A4 paper, so it's not much wider than two pieces of A4 paper. It has an extractor, a light. That's the underside of the stairs. As you can see, it's very, very small, but perfectly functioning. Is this one of the smallest toilets about? This is a very clever use of space, and it's under the stairs in a kitchen diner. And there you have it. Have a look at our website, youaremovingup.com, for some more obscure videos and different motivational ideas. But this must be a very clever use of space. Till next time, thank you.